Okay, we've got the old Bridgeport set up here. Almost ready to go for this. So I've got this leveled, and I've got it leveled to this here. We still need to kind of tram it to the head, so it's kind of just set up right now. Should be pretty good though. I think we're gonna be okay. I will do some adjustments though if I have to. So what we're going to do is we're going to get this broken bolt out. So we're going to maybe flatten a spot with the end mill that's on here, make a flat, and then drill a little hole, and then we're going to use one of these kind of easy out reverse drills. So I can just reverse the variable frequency drive, and this thing should just run at that speed. So we should be able to drill that guy out. That's what I'm hoping. You know, hopefully it's not too smashed up. And then as you can see right here, this has been kind of pushed up, and when we get the next piece in there, it's got to push, you know, against the flat. So what we want to do is we need that to be flat. So we're going to just kind of use the end mill and then kind of mill that down so it's at the same height as the rest of it. So it's okay if it's a little bit lower. I should be able to get it really close, but you know, it's far enough away from over here that there's, you know, large enough flat. What we just want to do is take the height down. Okay, so yeah, I am going to make sure that we are at least level to this guy and see what we got to adjust. right, so that's not working so good, but I think we're just gonna, I'm gonna give it a shot. I'm gonna plane it on the top. We'll see if we can drill it. If not, if we're still in that dumb piece, that dumb broken easy out, then what we're gonna have to do is, you know, mill around it until we can get it out. We could try to TIG weld the bolt onto there like a head and try to torque it out. Could give that a shot, but yeah, that would be less TIG than the filling that I'll have to do. Okay.